Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a B2B sales strategy with Oracle step by step clearly. Begin by defining your target audience. Identify the industries and companies that align with your product or service. Conduct thorough market research to understand their needs and pain points. Analyze your competitors to see how they are positioning themselves. Next, set clear goals and objectives for your sales strategy. Determine what you want to achieve, such as revenue targets or market penetration. Develop a unique value proposition that differentiates your offerings. Clearly articulate how your product or service solves specific problems for your audience. Create a sales plan that includes tactics and timelines. Decide on the sales channels you will use, such as direct sales, partnerships, or online platforms. Integrate Oracle tools to enhance your sales processes. Utilize Oracle CRM to manage leads, track customer interactions, and analyze sales data. Train your sales team on Oracle tools to ensure they understand how to leverage them effectively. Design targeted marketing campaigns to support your sales efforts. Use Oracle's marketing automation tools to segment your audience and personalize messages. Implement a lead generation strategy that aligns with your target audience. Consider content marketing, webinars, or events to engage potential clients. Monitor and evaluate the performance of your sales strategy regularly. Use Oracle Analytics to gain insights into what's working and what's not. Adjust your approach based on feedback and data analysis. Foster relationships with clients through regular communication and follow-ups. Establish trust by providing value even after the initial sale. Finally, refine your sales strategy as the market and technology evolve. Stay agile and be ready to pivot when necessary for continued success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.